Good morning to everyone. So, children, let's continue our lesson with another topics of chapter 9, and today we will learn about the plant life, animal life, natural resources and economy and industry of Saudi Arabia. So, first we will start from the plant life of the Saudi Arabia. Very few plants can grow in this desert climate. The plant life in Saudi Arabia consists mainly of shrubs and small herbs which require very little water. And such plants have long roots that penetrate deep into the soil for the water, and their stems are also soft and fleshy. This helps them to store water, and their leaves are just like the thorns. This also prevents loss of water through evaporation. And at some places in the desert, underground water rises to the surface, forming a fertile area called an oasis. The date palms and some crops such as wheat and barley are grown here, and not more than 2% of Saudi Arabia's land can be used for the agriculture. This is because of the inadequate rainfall, and the climate is not favorable for the agriculture. Children, we know that for farming or for doing agriculture, the climate should be favorable for growing crops. So, Saudi Arabia is not getting so much water, it is not receiving rainfall, so the land is here dry. Now, next topic is animal life. Animal life of the Saudi Arabia. The animal life in Saudi Arabia include wolves, hyenas, baboons, sand rats and hares. Birds include vultures, hawks, eagles and falcons. Jackals and Arabian horses can be seen in the desert areas. While in the mountainous highlands, we can find wolves and hyenas, like several species of poisonous snakes are found in the desert, and along with the numerous types of lizards, a wide variety of marine life like hawksbill, turtle, dolphins, and crabs are found in the Persian Gulf. Next topic is natural resources. What are the natural resources, children? The natural resources are resources which are found by the nature. So they are known as a natural resources. The most important natural resources of Saudi Arabia is oil, and the country has 20% of the global reserves of oil, and in fact oil also helps the country to earn 40% of its revenue. Saudi Arabia also happens to be the biggest exporter of oil in the world, and this is why oil is also known as liquid gold. Metals. Metals such as gold, silver, copper and zinc can also be found here. Saudi Arabia also export platinum, chrome, titanium and precious stones. Now, our next topic is economy and industry of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is one of the richest country of the world, and this is because of the four rich deposits of petroleum in the country. The revenue earned by selling petroleum to other countries has been used to modernize cities like Riyadh and Jeddah, and several large industries have been set up in Saudi Arabia like petroleum refineries, iron and steel, cement and fertilizers plants. So, dear children, today we have completed these topics, and in the next session we will learn some another topics of Saudi Arabia. So, till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.